Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial of Rhinoceros 3D. In this short video I want to show you one of many ways of working with blocks. So let's begin. Let's say you want to design and model a building made of similar modules that have variations, like in this example. First I created a block called dummy in a layer of the same name. This helps as a base geometry and as a placeholder. Then I created new blocks as module variations with different names, containing the same dummy. So then I have a block inside of another block. Now, inside each block module variation, I created new blocks for specifying the program. For that, I use a set of new layers with different colors, under the name 3D program. You see here on the right, and the layers go from P01 to P06. Following the same logic, I model in detail inside each module variation, using another set of layers for the materials. In this way, each module had variations either on the windows, balconies, construction objects, and so on. So now I could turn on and off the layers for the dummies, the program, and the materials, depending on what I want to see and work with to pile up the modules and build the tower. And in the block definitions window, I can read and administrate this whole setup. While building the tower, in some cases I made copies of the blocks by mirroring them. To select them, I can type cell mirror blocks. If the blocks were scaled, to return to the original size, I use the command block reset scale. And sometimes happens that you collect a bunch of unused blocks. To get rid of them, you can go to these three horizontal lines in the top right and select the Purge Unused Block Definitions. Let me show you now a very useful Rhino plugin for blocks. For that, open the Package Manager and a new window will open. Here, look for the block Edit New and install it. There are also some other powerful plugins like Rhino Polyhedra and Ivy, but this I will show you in another video. Once the plugin is installed, restart your Rhino and the plugin will work. Then when you select a block, you will see some very useful functionalities for editing and visibility that you can explore. The most important allows you to change the origin point of the block like this, and another one helps you to make unique blocks. But for that, you should first make copies and then make them unique. Now here's the catch. This file with all the blocks, it's about 4 megabytes. Quite small for the amount of geometry and complexity. But if I explode and get rid of the blocks and save it, the file gets bigger, 30 megabytes. Almost 6 times as if I would be using the block instances. So that's another plus of working with blocks, file reduction. That's it for today. Hoping you find this short tutorial useful. I invite you to share it, like it, and subscribe for more. Take care. Ciao.